Like it all. I want to say he's mug. He's a mug. आंख बंद करके स्वीप किया इसने. Both the openers, both the southpaws have been taken care of in the first couple of overs. KKR well in truth. ये लोग क्या क्रिकेट मूवी बना के आए हुए? छोड़ो. And all three pacers have struck in their first over. Harshit Rana being the third one.
Or not. Aiden Markram, यार. Aiden Markram.
पर मैंने ओ भाई वेंकी वाह
Wow. For one last time this IPL and almost wicket going there in the fifth ball of the first over. I'm already super pissed with Phil Salt. साले हरामी लॉकी फर्गसन को ऐसे ही आउट किया था तूने बट ठीक है.
गुरबाज.
अरे सही है चलो सॉल्ट.
First over wicket.
Come with the start. Come with the hour. Come with the big man there. Oh my goodness. A piece of an outswinger that Abhishek Sharma and his off pull has been knocked by mid-start. Boy oh boy, what a start for KKR.
You never
Party himself.
Tripathi as well for that fact, yeah.
Oh!
Yes!
क्या हो गया?
First ball.
A beautiful outswinger that was going past head and he had absolutely no clue what to do with it. He's just exited good pass. Both the openers, both the southpaws have been taken care of in the first couple of overs. KKR well in truth. बहुत मुश्किल कैच है, बहुत ज्यादा. If it's Shreyas Iyer फिर भी ठीक है.
Yes.
Good catch. Ramandeep Singh under it. Well taken, boy. Well taken. Ball was swirling. It went very, very, very high. And a third wicket in the power play for Kolkata Knight Riders. But yeah, KKR SRE. So let's start with them. 4 नहीं, हम लोग 6 के साथ जा रहे हैं फिलहाल. Another slow one. कोई नहीं. 6 retentions. The assumptions have been that it'll be a maximum of 4 domestic retentions and 2 overseas retentions with a cap of 2 uncapped players even with those domestic options. So these are the names. These are broadly the rules that we've gone ahead with. Again, we're not sure what the actual rules are.
ये हमारा assumption.
बस कहीं ना कहीं से तो start करना था. ऐसे ही अंदाज़ों नहीं बोल सकते थे.
I believe these are retentions that we think will be names that will be retained, not what we necessarily think.
Yeah.
As to what our preference would be.
Yeah. So basically, what we think they will do, not what we think
want them to
want. Exactly. They're 2 different things. So there should be 11 retentions. Otherwise, what's the point? Bhai, the point is कि it's a mega auction, not a mini auction. 11 retention ही करना है तो mini auction ही बुला लो भाई. Mega auction क्यों ही बुलाना है उसे फिर? Actually, someone like Raghuvanshi is an uncapped option. गया. So, and all 3 pacers have struck in their first over. Harshit Rana being the third one.
Or not.
So this is something I was
Not reviewed. Chalo. Nice.
hoping to not say, but Nitish said his numbers against pace this season. So he's enjoyed facing spin, but against pace his average has dropped to 26, which is 52 plus against spin.
Number 3, Harshit Rana.
Fair shout.
No! Out! Idiot!
First over wicket. Andre Russell.
Every pacer that's bowled today has gotten a first over wicket, and Andre Russell has no, he's not the first. He's the second on that list. So this is probably his 45th first over wicket in all IPL.
Aiden Markram, yaar. Aiden Markram.
था मारने को, just look to time it. Should have powered it. Clear कर देता.
The thing is, मेरा ना इन लोग पे ऐसे भरोसा उठ गया in terms of how they shell out money.
Catch it!
नहीं.
What?
सुनील नारायण bro. सुनील नारायण.
स्पिन खेलना नहीं आता. इतना घटिया कोई खेलता है क्या स्पिन को? इतना घटिया कोई खेलता है क्या स्पिन को?
ये खेलना ही नहीं चाहिए भाई. मतलब
भाई DK छोड़ो. The thing is, this guy is a very good red ball player. How is this guy survived playing red ball cricket if he's so bad? Like it all. I want to say he's mug. He's a mug. आंख बंद करके sweep किया इसने. He's just covered the line and gone for a sweep. He's not read the ball. Why?
Just very surprising that they started with him.
वही.
Yeah. 77 for Steven.
हटाओ भाई. फिर सीखा आपने हमारे लिए से Rashid साहब and that's the 7th wicket gone. अभी पता चला इसको. अबे ये लोग क्या क्रिकेट मूवी बना के आए हुए? छोड़ो.
माफ कर दो.
का सीधा हाथ में. इस बार तो
3 wickets for Russell. बताओ.
स्टार्क ने 3 लिया, अरे बताओ भाई, कमिंस ने भी 2 लिया, स्टार्क ने 3 लिया, रसेल ने 3 लिया, शाबाश, नहीं स्टार्क ने भी 2 ही लिया,
स्टार्क ने 2 लिया,
हर्षित
हाईएस्ट विकेट टेकर।
क्या ही बोले यार, a very poor outing for SRH. We've been bundled out for 113, their lowest score season. Unfortunately, at the worst possible timing, on the worst possible occasion, the IPL 2024 final is most likely going to be we're most likely going to see a drab finish to what has been a very entertaining season. Very unfortunate that, but kudos to KKR, have been very dominating right from the get-go. It started with Mitchell Stark in the first over, continued by Vaibhav Arora, Andy Russell, Harshit Rana, Varun Chakravarti. All of them were relentless. A lot of reasons for both Chandu Pandit and Gautam Gambhir to be happy about, but as usual, they're not going to leave the stance. They still continue to maintain their poker face. Flop 11 for the season, according to us, is Quinton de Kock to open with Vridhaman Saha. Number 3 pe Devdutt Padikkal. Number 4 pe Glenn Maxwell. Number 5, we've got Jitesh Sharma. Number 6, there's Rinku Singh. Number 8, there's Rashid Khan. Number 9, there's Shardul Thakur. Number 10, Ravi Bishnoi. And number 11, there is Bhuvneshwar Kumar instead of Manish Tikshara, only because एक पेसर रख रहा है. दोनों के काफी खराब सीजन थे. At least that's what numbers say, so we're fine either ways.
चलो इसी बात है, पहले बॉल पे विकेट ले ले बोवी, चलो
चलो मूवमेंट तो है.
Meanwhile, Arhan says his favorite moment was Avnish making a return at the end of the RCB CSK watch along just to cheer with Akshay. भाई you have no clue, इसके बाद जो बवाल हमने ऑफिस के मतलब स्टूडियो से बाहर निकल के भाई
बवाल मतलब in good spirits.
हाँ of course, सिर्फ अपने यहाँ, and again not to anyone, ऐसी just random, जैसे कोहली चिल्लाता है ना, whoa that's a shot.
भैया मेरे को इसके पहले कभी गुस्सा नहीं आया, पर मैंने ओ भाई वेंकी, वाह,
होम ग्राउंड अगेन.
एकदम a more inclusive World Cup, so to say. 20 teams, the most in a World Cup ever, in a T20 World Cup ever, that is. So it'll be fantastic. Jeet will also be a part of the previews. We will be talking about a bunch of different teams. There's PNG, Uganda, Nepal, Netherlands, Ireland, Scotland. It's going to be great fun. And also a lot of you who don't necessarily follow, it'll also be insightful for you guys in terms of understanding who these teams have, what are the players, what are the kind of teams we're looking at. USA recently defeated Bangladesh. Do they stand a chance against India come the World Cup? And why? I'll be rooting for that to happen. All of that and much more starting on the 29th of May. So make sure you tune in. We'll of course be putting it out on all social media platforms. So please do make sure you tune in. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you've liked the live stream if you haven't already. Potentially the last ball of IPL 2024. No, it isn't.
It is. Well done, KKR.
Knight Riders. A fantastic performance for them comes to an end. A season that saw them win 10 wins in the league stage and qualifier 1 and qualifier 2 to make it 12 wins out of 16 and see them take their 3rd trophy in IPL history. Shahrukh's happy, Gambhir's happy, Venky's happy. All of us are also happy that the IPL's also finally come to an end. Time with us to wrap this watch along up because we'll also now head out there and talk to our content team about what a job of a game this was. It's a goodbye from all of us, and like I said earlier, we will be back on the 29th of May, beginning our coverage of the T20 World Cup. Make sure you guys tune in then. Until then, it's goodbye from all of us. Hope you enjoyed this coverage of the IPL. We will be back for the World Cup. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Cheers.